Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to create YouTube thumbnail within 5 minutes using just your IG story. So this was the template and this was what I recreated, and if this sounds like something you might be interested in, please watch the video to the end. Yeah guys, so I downloaded the CapCut icon and few backgrounds I'm going to use, and also took some pictures already. So I'm going to go straight right into my IG story. So I'm going to pick this background. I like it. Then I'm going to go back to the photos, then copy the pictures I want. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to go back, then place my phone in landscape mode. Not yet. And once I paste it, I'm going to paste it in landscape mode, then adjust it till I get to the right way I wanted it to be. So yeah, I like it this way. I'm going to go back to my photos again, then copy the CapCut icon. Then I'm going to go back to place it in landscape mode, then paste it also. I'm going to adjust it till I get the perfect way I want it to be. Yeah, it's all right. Then I'm going to add text thumbnail. Then I'm going to adjust it right here. I'm going to write another text tutorial. I'm going to change the background of the text to white, so tutorial. Then I'm going to adjust it to the right space I want it to be. So yeah, that's all guys. Then I'm going to save the picture. Then once it's saved to my photos, I'm going to click on it, edit it, then click on crop. Then once it's there, I'm going to toggle it around till I get to the normal ratio for thumbnail, which is this. And I'm going to save it. That's done. Then I have to resave it to my file. So that is when I normally take my videos and thumbnail before I upload it. So I'm going to save it to files. So save to file. So I'll be able to save the thumbnail with the right title, the right year title. So I'm going to edit this. I'm going to save with the thumbnail tutorial. Yeah, that's done. Then I'm going to save it to my Chrome. So yeah, that's all guys. That is how to use your IG story just to create a very eye-catching thumbnail. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching.